In this video, we'll tackle how to fix Webflow background videos not playing. Alright, so there could be a myriad of reasons why your videos are not playing. I'm going to just start by dropping in a video element. So option number one, if we're just talking about the normal video element, is I would definitely recommend using YouTube as your source. Upload your video to YouTube specifically and use that instead of using another platform. Now, that's very simplistic and also doubtful that's where your problem is. It's more likely on the background videos. So let's get the background video element. And step number one is to make sure you are uploading in these specified formats at that specified maximum file size. Don't just change the extension. Actually go and convert it. You can go and get a free converter like Handbrake and go and actually convert the file. Now, another thing is to make sure that you have switched off the audio if you are using the autoplay feature. Okay. Last and final one, we want to go to style. This is if you have lots of elements covering your video. Make sure your position is set to relative. And here by the Z index, we want to click on this drop down, click on the little stripe and change it to 100/1000. Now, I have no other elements covering mine, but for you, that should fix the problem, especially if you're finding that it's playing on mobile devices but not on your PC. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.